Great Place to Work Institute has identified Apollo Tyres, India's leading tyre maker, as one of India's best workplaces in manufacturing 2018. The company is ranked among the top 10 workplaces in the manufacturing segment in India. Apollo Tyres has been rated highly for its transparency in performance management process, especially the variable pay, and the employee development programs. Commenting on the rankings, Satish Sharma, President, Asia Pacific, Middle East Limited said, "I would like to congratulate all Apolloiters for securing this prestigious recognition. This ranking betters our previously secured top positions in the auto components space. Guided by our core value of one family, the work on people agenda is a continuum at Apollo Tyres, and is always accorded top priority. We have grown to become an Indian multinational, and our people policies have been on a fast-track mode as well, propelling the career aspirations of many high-performing candidates." A total of 106 Indian manufacturing companies participated in this year's Great Place to Work Institute survey, involving more than 37,000 employees, which takes into account employees' perspectives and assigns 2/3 weightage to the voice of employees. The balance 1/3 weightage is assigned to people practices implemented across the organization. Basis this, the top 25 best workplaces in the manufacturing sector were identified. Apollo Tyres currently has 4 manufacturing facilities in India, 2, including a leased facility, in the rubber-producing state of Kerala, and 1 each in Gujarat and Tamil Nadu, and is in the process of setting up a greenfield unit in Andhra Pradesh. The company employs around 16,000 people globally. Tags: Apollo Tyres Awards, India, Manufacturing Category, Company News, International News.